Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Reviews widget to your HTML website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the Google Reviews widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Connect your Google Business profile by providing your business name and address to automatically display your Google reviews. Choose a layout for your Google reviews and customize its appearance to perfectly match your website's design. Customize the header of your Google Reviews widget to make it informative and engaging for your website visitors. Customize the display and content of your Google reviews to showcase them in the most impactful way. Customize the widget's colors, fonts, and background to seamlessly blend it with your website's overall design. Adjust the widget's language, enable auto-translation, manage external links, and configure schema.org to enhance its functionality and visibility. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your HTML file. Paste the Google Reviews embed code into your HTML file where you want the widget to appear. Now let's add the widget to your website. Open your website's admin panel. Go to the page where you want the widget to appear. Find the option to add custom code or an embed block to that page. Paste your contact form installation code there, preferably before the closing tag or in the page's custom code field. Save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.